Hi and welcome back. In this session, we are going to go through the process of setting up our Windows machine. That is, installing Python and a code editor. And for this case, we will install Visual Studio Code Editor. Alright? So the first thing, even before we navigate to this Python page here, is to confirm whether Python is installed or not. Okay? So I'll launch the command prompt. So I'll talk of CMD, okay, then move with that option, okay. Then in here I can check if Python is installed by checking on the version, okay. So I can have Python space hyphen capital V, okay. So in case I get that, that could be a sign that Python is not installed. But then we also need to confirm about Python 3. So it seems that Python is not installed on our system. Okay, so the other command, we can talk of Python version instead of the hyphen capital V. Okay, and we still get the same thing. All right, so in case you use any of these commands, then you should be able to tell if Python is installed or not. But essentially, you can use these two. All right, so in that case, we need to proceed and download Python and proceed to install Python application. Okay, so open your browser and visit this page python.org. Okay, then under downloads we have this button here. So depending with when you go about installing, this version might change. All right, so just click whatever you have here and a file will start downloading here. So just give it some time to download. Okay, as the download happens, we can proceed and download our code editor. And for this training, we said we are going to use vscode. All right, but in case you have any other preferred code editor, then you need not download vscode. All right, I'll visit code.visualstudio.com, and in here I should have the download for Windows button, and that is if I'm operating on Windows. So just click on that and give it time as well. All right, so after a few minutes our programs are done downloading. Okay, so we are going to proceed and install them one by one. So we are going to start with Python. So I'll directly click on this file here. After some 2-3 seconds, something pops up here. So in here we need to have a few things on check. So this is mandatory to add python.exe to path. All right, then depending with the privilege that you have, you can decide to check this or leave it unchecked. All right, so the next thing, just click on install now. The installation will start, so just give it time. So in about a minute or two, our Python installation was successful. All right, so again in here it's not mandatory for you to disable this. You can simply close that. All right, so let's proceed and inspect if Python has been installed. So back to our command prompt, I'll re-execute that command again. Okay, still not installed. I'll use this command again and still not installed. But then I need to close my command prompt first and launch it afresh. Okay, so in here I can have, say, Python version. Okay, and we now see we have something here. Okay, so this is the version of Python that we just installed. All right, and in case you want to access the Python console, you can simply talk of Python, press enter, and here you go. Okay, so in case you want to print something simple on your screen, you can talk of hello world. All right, and we see we have been able to print that on our console. All right, so the next thing is to install VS Code. So under this, just click on this application. All right, so with this pop-up, just ensure to accept the agreement. Once you accept the agreement, just click on next. All right, then there are a few things here to confirm, so we can also check this option here. All right, and then proceed next, install, and give it time to complete the installation. All right, and in about a minute, VS Code has been installed, so I can uncheck that and click on finish. Okay, so in case I navigate to my desktop, I can be able to see the shortcut here. Okay, again, I can also talk of VS Code, and I will be able to see it here. So just click on it, and it launches here. All right, so basically that's all we needed on this session. That is it for this session. I'll see you in the next one.